Welcome to a research word in 1 minute. Research word number 22, complement. American pronunciation, complement. Com-ple-ment. Complement. British pronunciation,
Complement. Complement.
meaning. Complement means to make something else better or complete. Common usages in academic writing that you need to know are to complement each other, complemented by, a complement to. Example sentence, complement, verb. The researchers' skill sets complemented each other well because they each had different research experiences. The variation of complement that you need to know is complementary, adjective. The doctor recommended yoga as a complementary therapy to their prescribed medication. Please write a sentence using complement in the comments section. I will read it and reply. Now you can use complement confidently in your research. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Take care.